Searching for the best auto body shop in the Georgetown, Texas Russell Crossing area? If you are trying to find an auto body repair shop in Georgetown's Russell Crossing area, you are likely to have been in a fender bender or worse. A vehicle mishap is typically really demanding. Aside from the preliminary occurrence, a big part of the tension follows due to the fact that, after the mishap, the damage to the vehicle needs to be fixed, which can be pricey both in time and cash. Watch this auto body shop video in Russell Crossing. One piece of strong guidance for all vehicle owners is not to go the low-cost path when you have your automobile fixed. There are lots of threats that feature below-average repair done on automobile that went through extreme crash. For instance, if low-cost, substandard parts were utilized, it can imply that you require to invest more in the future for extra repair work. There are lots of threats you can deal with if you have your automobile fixed by a low-cost crash center. Depending upon the quality of service and the sort of repair work that the repairers have actually examined, the overall expense of the repair work might differ to some extent. By getting a price quote from various repair work centers, you can get a concept on the level of the damage that requires to be fixed on your automobile. To make sure that you get a complete return on your vehicle insurance coverage, you can request for suggestions from your insurance coverage firm, so that you are ensured of quality service. Complete auto body equipment high-tech devices is now readily available at car service center, like the laser determining system. This system makes certain that the repair work is done properly. You need to likewise get the transmission and positioning examined. The ideal mechanic and the right store guarantee your automobile is as good as brand new prior to returning it to you. Complete auto body near my home initially. Constantly consult the BBB to see if any problems have actually been made versus the service center near you. Nevertheless, because the BBB is a personal company, you ought to likewise consult the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. The most convenient method to do that is to check out the FTC website. Another thing you can do is visit the service center and talk with the other motorists who are getting their cars fixed. This will assist you determine the level of service the service center supplies. With all the threats included with low cost and less than professional repair work, the better option will constantly be to have your automobile fixed and brought back at a trustworthy and insurance coverage company approved second-hand vehicle crash center who brings a lot of the parts required too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.